Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. It's another hot day here in the United Kingdom. The time is 7 p.m. and we're going to be unboxing that one that I was telling you about from Vinted. It's a sort of half and half because this product comes from the works. However, I bought it on Vinted and the lady must have paid £5 for it, but I sent her an offer and she accepted my offer. So that's what I love about Vinted, because you can bait them down, and she accepted £3. So I was like, thank you. So yeah, if I can get a deal on this, I will, because I don't really want to pay £5 and then £4 postage. It turned into like a £10 item. So yeah, we're just going to open this up. Now, the works have been changing. It's been quite a while since I shopped with the works. And it was only, I don't know why, I just fancied looking on there one day to see if there was anything that I thought would be nice. And I saw a few things on there, and that, I was like, wow, I've got to have them, you know. But they've been changing their packaging. Oh, for God's sake, man. They've been changing their packaging, you see. So it's now comes in like this brown box. So righty ho. Oh, look at this. I don't know how this is going to turn out, because as you can see, this is a brand new packaging. So it's normally £5. I offered I put an offer in for £3 and it came to £3, and then obviously with the postage and that. But this is the Dragonfly. It doesn't look very bright in colour, if I'm totally honest with you, but as you can see, the set includes a 30x30 canvas, glue pad, diamond beads and a tray. That isn't actually glue, it's like a you know, the jelly wax stuff. But as you can see, where it used to be like white and black boxes, they now got this sort of cardboard one. It doesn't look very nice, does it, this cardboard? Like a shitty brown colour. Like, why can't they keep it to white and black? I think the white and black look much nicer. But as you can see here, it just goes into your instructions on how to diamond paint if you're a beginner. They've got all the instructions there. So we can see that the item is very new. It looks all new to me. Obviously, as I'm unboxing this, I'm quality control checking it as well, so that we can release the payment to the lady. And yeah, let's get into this today. So oh wow, right, okay. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god, they've been listening, people. Look, for the first time ever, the works have done a full drill. Oh my days. Like, okay, that's got to be the first time they've ever done a full drill, because every time I bought from the works, it's always been partial. So that's good, because the works are listening to people's feedback. That's fantastic. Look, it's completely full to the brim. It's not actually going to be a partial, it's a full drill. So, oh, this is brilliant, fantastic. And look at the colour contrast. Where it looked a bit dull, it's actually a lot brighter. So yeah, this is going to be a fabulous painting by the looks of it. So everything looks okay here. So yeah, so the works, still, you need to improve these, because I like the long boats, not these round ones. They're quite difficult to pour drills into bags when you ain't got like that scoopy bit at the front. For example, here, yeah, there you've got like a little funnel bit. So let's get into this gorgeous painting all the way from oh my god, look at this, people. Oh wow, look at the colours in that. Isn't it very summery? Oh wow, yeah, I'm very impressed with this. 24 colours here. It's just got so much splash of colour, isn't it? We've got these lovely sort of golden multicoloured wings here, and the body of the dragonfly, and then we've got this gorgeous plant in the corner here, and then some other flowers here. This is a stunning image. So they've done some improvements. Let's take a look at the sticks and see whether that's any good. Oh yeah, that's a lot better than before. But I just can't believe for the first time they've done a full drill. Normally everything I've bought from there has always been partial, but oh wow, this is stunning. So this is available from the works if you want to get it for yourself. They've also got a cockapoo, a sloth. There's something to do with Canada. They've also got, I think it's like a flower. I did show these on the live video, but the stream is currently under my review at the moment, because when I do a live stream, I will always lock it off after it airs, because I need to watch it back, see if there's any audio issues, and then I re-release it back up. But this is stunning. I mean, look at this lovely little pack of you know, your thing there. And as you can see, we have got a lovely train full of colours here. We have got ourselves a orange colour, very beautiful blue there, and a sort of vanilla colour, and a green. Feels quite, oh my god, yeah, it's quite dusty. We got like a greeny sort of colour, a mint blue, that's gorgeous. Baby blue there, a brown, a pale yellow, and a pink, and another sort of orangey sort of colour, brown, sorry, cream, I don't really know. A light blue, an orange, a sort of vanilla colour, and we've got an orange, loads of blues in this, a purpley sort of browny colour there, a grey, dark grey, a really nice orangey colour with what looks to be like a bit of grass in it. And we've got an orange and a purple, so just double checking that's not one right the way up to 24, and 24 is R, yeah, so that is fantastic. So yeah, I think that's come out really, really lovely. So yeah, very, very happy with that. Once again, this is what it looks like. So as you can see here, people, so you can see it is absolutely stunning. I cannot believe how bright it looks without it going in the box. It's just absolutely fantastic. So what I'm going to do now is, as you can see here, we've got an item, we've got an option here where we have to click everything okay. I'm very happy with my purchase, and as you can see, I've now accepted that purchase, so that gets released to the seller now. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. Yeah, absolutely stunning. So I'm not going to do it for summer. I feel like this should be like an insect theme, for, like, you know, your wasps, your bees, your dragonflies, your ladybirds, you know, that sort of thing. I am looking into doing an insect theme. That's been in like the planning for nearly 2 years. However, it's never really come to fruition. I can never pronounce that word, but yeah, it's something I want to do in the near future. I don't know when yet, because we have stacks and stacks of themes that I want to do, including, I'm not going to say, I've got a really good one, but I don't know when it's going to be. But yeah, I think this is absolutely stunning. So people, get down to the works. I know Jenny will, because she loves shopping at the works. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Your next unboxing will be coming up very soon. Bye bye now.